baby. Come to Mama.
Mama.
Oh, yes, Jade?
I want to hold Sissy. I want to hold Sissy. I want to hold Sissy.
Alrighty, you may, but no powers. Okay? What did I say? No powers, no ice, no nothing. No ice, no nothing, okay? Okay? If you want to hold your little sister Emily, you gotta behave the rules. Bing. Much better. Now you may hold your sister.
Sissy, I'm here, Sissy. Sissy, I'm here to hold you. Came with a gift. Kathy, come here. Come in. Me and Kathy got a gift. For Emily.
Oh, good. Just give it to her.
There you go. See?
Genesis?
Oh, yes?
I was wondering if... Oh, yeah, of course. Alrighty.
May I hold the baby now? No, my Sissy.
Yes, well, we gotta take turns like you do with your mommy, so hand me the baby, and I'll give you back her, okay?
No.
Well, that was very disrespectful, so I'm just gonna take her now.
No.
Yes.
No.
She got water on me! Oh, some cold water too! Jade! What did I say? Come on. It's time for a spanking and a timeout. Look, I'm sorry. No, it's fine. Just let me hold that baby now.
Okay. No.
I'll be right back. Jade, honey. Jade, honey, I know how bad this is, but all I'm saying is you kill your sister with your powers.
Kill?
Yes, you can still play with her, but you gotta be more careful. Never ever use your powers in front of her.
Okay, Mama, I promise.
Okay, that's good. I'm just gonna let you stay in your room for a day, okay?
Okay. I promise. I won't do it again.
Bye, baby. Are you still in a bad mood?
No, it's just I'm trying to get the tears out of my face.
Here, let me take care of it. There.
Bing. Okay. Bye, Mama.
Bye, baby.
Remember, just like Elsa on that TV show, let it go, let it go.